Hi guys, it's Hafsa Rose and welcome back to my channel. So today I am collaborating with Sogoodhair. So today he sent me this bob wig. I did not cut this at all, so this is the length of it. So one thing I can say, you know, from first installing this wig is that I do like it. I do like the length and I do like the texture of the hair and I like the frontal and all that. But one thing I wish that they did different was definitely you know, not make the track right here so lumpy, because my wig ain't laying as flat as I wanted to, as you guys, like, if y'all could see that. You probably can't see it, but I can see it. I know what I'm talking about. So the wig, yeah, you can see right here. You see? Like, that's not like this. So that's the only thing I really do not like about the wig so far. If you would like to get this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, I'll be back for another video sooner or later. Another thing is, inside the box, it comes with the wig. It comes with a bonnet, a scarf, like, you know, a little edge scarf, a wig cap, some combs, some extra combs if you want to put them extra combs in there. Oh shit, it got a lot of shit in this bag. Hold up, let me open this. I can't even get it open and my camera dying. It comes with a little, you know, extra little thing to tighten your wig. It comes with an edge brush. Ooh, we got tweezers in here. Come with tweezers. And then, I think these are earrings, yeah. It comes with some hoop earrings. So yeah, that's what's coming to this look. Keep watching. So, jumping straight into this video, Brittany plucked and hot combed the frontal before, you know, this all started. This wig did come pre-bleached, so I did love that. That was great. Brittany is now taking these scissors and she will be using those to customize my frontal, as in like cutting the lace off. She's no longer using the eyebrow razor. She told me why, because she feels like these scissors are just sharper and they just make it look way better. So yeah, that is why she's no longer using the eyebrow razor. So she's gonna keep, you know, cutting around my ear tabs, make that feel comfortable for me, and then she'll be going to like cutting the lace off the hairline area. I cut out the part of her doing the lace on this side because, well, she goes back and customizes some more, but because she was like, her arm was in front of the camera so you guys couldn't see anyway, so it made no sense to keep that in there. It's gonna make the video longer for no reason. But yeah, this is basically what she does. She starts off by cutting, like, you know, mainly where she wants to cut it off, and then she goes back in and cuts off smaller and smaller pieces, as you guys will see throughout this whole customization process of like making the hairline best for my hairline. So yeah, just keep watching and you'll see what she's doing here. And my hands is always on my hair while Brittany's doing it. She's just so used to me like being like hands-on when it comes to my hair. It don't even bother her. Like, this is just regular how I get my hair done. And I've been like this with every single person who's done my hair, because I just feel like if my hair is ugly, like, I really, like, I'm not the type of person that thinks my hair ugly and is gonna go home, or like my hair is ugly and I'm watching you do it and I'm not saying nothing. I'm gonna say something while I'm getting my hair done. Like, and Brittany, like, she's so accustomed to me being like so, like, how would I say this? Outspoken. She just be like, okay, like, she just knows if I don't like something, I'm gonna tell her to fix it, or if I don't like it, I'm gonna do it myself. So now she's going in and removing some more of my makeup, so give it the glue down, and she don't have to worry about the glue, like, you know, mixing with my hair. Mixing with my makeup. So the glue she's using is the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. This is in the tube this time instead of being in the bottle, because the bottle be exploding. You ever seen a bottle explode? That should be exploding. Like, not like literally just sit on the counter and explode, but like when you squeeze it, like that shit will just explode or you type shit. So yeah, she is smoothing that out with a popsicle stick, and she will be doing 3 layers of this as always. And I've had this wig on, I'm gonna say about 2.5 weeks. Today is Thursday. I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow again on Friday, and the wig is still on my head, and it is you know, nice and sturdy. So now that that's, you know, nice and dry, she's gonna start putting the lace down and placing it where it's supposed to be placed. And yeah, Brittany's doing her thing as she always does. Regular Brittany shit. And she's placing it down, pushing, like using a little rat tail piece of the comb to push it down, make sure it's nice and in there. And yeah, I can definitely say I just love Brittany so much, and how much she has, you know, grown over the time, because she been doing my hair since like my birthday last year, and my birthday's coming up this year next week, and that's about to make a whole year that Brittany has been doing my hair. Oh my god, I just realized that. Okay, I definitely gotta tell her that. I gotta call her in the morning. But yeah, so Brittany's definitely been doing my hair for a year now, and she has grown so much in the time. I just love her so much. Okay, so now that that is over and done with laying lace, so now she's gonna start with the hot comb. And I didn't keep all like the pieces of her, like all of the film of her hot comb in my hair, because she was hot combing my hair for a long time. Because as I said in the intro, this wig did have like the way the tracks and the like frontal was sewn on together, it wasn't really seamless, so like it had a hump. So she just spent a whole bunch of time trying to get that flat for me, because you know, like I like my hair as flat as possible. Like I do not like no volume in my hair at all. I need like my shit laid. I need my shit flat to my head, or I'm gonna think my hair looks crazy. Like, yeah, you know how I get. So basically this is just her starting to do the baby hairs, and then she goes back and hot combs again. But this is her starting on the baby hairs. As you guys know, I never like do voiceover parts for the baby hairs, because this is something that you have to do for yourself and you learn over time, or you could just, you know, watch what she's doing. But this is that, even if you watch what she's doing, this is something that you're just gonna have to take your time with, and you know, just keep trying until it look right. Period. And this baby hair kind of took her a while, because as you guys can see, it wouldn't lay flat, and plus I asked for a specific type of baby hair. Like if you don't know, like I get all my hair inspo from Jada, like all of my hair inspo, because I love her so much, and I feel like she's got the best baby hairs, the best wigs, everything. So basically that's the type of baby hairs I requested. I didn't show her doing the baby hairs on the other side, because those is like pointless. Like they're just regular, like quick 1, 2, 3 baby hairs, because it's gonna be under this, like the side of my hair. So it made no sense, like, you know, taking more of you guys' time to watch it. I'm so sorry for the stuttering, like so sorry. But yeah, and then she does like one of the little swoopy swoop thingies right there in between those 2 baby hairs. She put that band on me. This is her going back and trying to fix that bump for me. She goes to spray some Got2b, trying to get it to lay flat. She's doing everything in her power to get it to fix for me. And yeah, that's just her doing her thing. So I definitely did like this side, like the side like with the less amount of hair, but the other side, like I was feeling it, but I really wasn't feeling it because that bump was not making me feel it. Like I wasn't feeling it. Like it wasn't giving what I wanted to give. It didn't give what I wanted to give. You know what I'm trying to say? Like it just was not giving. And this is simply Brittany just flat ironing my hair. I did not keep all of this in because there's no point of me keeping all of that in. Everybody know how to flat iron and bob. But yeah, guys, are you noticing how fat my face is getting? Like it is really ridiculous. It's getting ridiculous. I'm so tired of being pregnant. Like I just want to see my baby. I just want my face to be like normal, and I want my stomach to be flat again. Like I'm just tired of this. And Brittany's just going section by section on this frontal to try to make it as flat as possible, as I said previously, because you know I don't like no big ass lump in my motherfucking head. So yeah, that's just her doing that, doing what she do, and basically after that, you know, it's over. Like the look is over. Alcohol and removing some of that shine from my forehead from the gel that Brittany used, because it's like mixing on makeup too, and I just don't like that. So let's fix that off camera. Then Brittany applied some bio silk to give the hair some extra silk, you know, make it look better. I'm just going right there with my lips, little makeup ahead, and that's done. We're done. That's over. Period. I hope you guys like the look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.